Kathleen Dillon posted on my Facebook page a question that I thought was quite interesting. She asked, what incentive-based compensation systems exist for lawyers today? I thought about that, and it seemed to me that there's really no good incentive-based compensation system for an employee that is a lawyer within a law firm context. Yes, we have incentives for law. We have incentives for lawyers dealing with clients. It's called a contingency. It's called personal injury. It's called debt collection. These are incentive-based, i.e. percentage-based systems of being paid your fee. But in terms of compensating a lawyer within a law firm, by the law firm, on an incentive-based, this is a little bit more difficult. And it seemed to me, after thinking about it further, that there are really three areas of incentives. The first is incentives based on work. And some law firms provide a base compensation for X number of hours. For example, the large law firms might have a base compensation system to do 1,500 or more likely 1,800 hours of billable work. And then if you got to 2,000 hours or 2,200 hours of billable work that year, you would get a bonus based on that additional number of hours. However you compute the bonus, that's a different issue. But that's the only kind of incentives that I can think of off the top of my head, and they are work related. Another bonus or incentive-based system might be based on the results. So in other words, in this particular case, you would really have to define the goals, and you'd have to define the goals of the law firm in connection with the goals being sought by the particular client where the lawyer was working on a particular file, if you will. And so if, as an example, the law firm had some kind of contingency or performance-based result fee payment with the client, perhaps the individual lawyer would share with the firm a segment of that bonus, and that's results orientation. The third method of incentive-based that I can think of is on origination. And this is where many lawyers and many law firms kind of come together, because the law firm is looking for origination. The law firm is looking for new clients, new matters. And to the extent that the individual lawyer can bring in a new matter or a new client, i.e. origination, the lawyer bringing that matter to the firm will benefit to some degree, whether it's 5%, 10%, 25%, whatever it might be. That is incentive-based. One of the problems with this latter approach is that you're really focusing in on new matters, new clients, and you're really ignoring the mining, if you will, the development, the care and taking of existing clients. Now, oftentimes, working with existing clients is the least expensive marketing for new work. So be careful how you balance origination incentives with incentives for maintaining a very happy client relationship that already exists. These are the incentives, the three incentives that I can think of. One of the things I think that all of these approaches fail to address is the development of the firm. Yes, the individual lawyer is getting compensated by whatever incentive you select. But the real key here is the development of an institution, i.e. the law firm, for long-term success and therefore for the long-term benefit of the client. To the extent you can harmonize both the improvement of the culture of the law firm and the institutionalization of the law practice with the incentives to be given to individual lawyers, to that extent, you are creating success. Thanks for joining us today.